Good morning.
Good morning.
My name is Ellen Verhaagen. You can call me Ellen. And this is making the most of Microsoft Excel. Boy, we're going to do it too. We are going to immerse ourselves, we're going to bathe ourselves in Microsoft Excel today, whether you want to or not. I'm actually from Nashville, Tennessee, and I spent most of my life in Charlotte, North Carolina. And it was when I was in Charlotte that I taught at a local community college called Central Piedmont Community College. I taught adults Excel. So beginning, intermediate, advanced Excel, that's what I taught, in preparation for them to take a certification exam called Microsoft Office Certification, MOS, Microsoft Office Specialist Certification. So my students challenged me, they're like, Ellen, hey, if you're teaching us the concepts, why don't you take the test with us? And I was like, okay, I'll do that. So thankfully I passed. I did take the test with them and I passed, which was good. So I have the highest level of Microsoft certification you can get as a layperson, Microsoft Office Specialist Master. So if you want to call me Master, Ellen, you certainly may. I give you full freedom and permission to do that. I love Excel, I do. I use it for everything. And I'm going to show off Excel in ways that you've never known. And I give you full freedom to, when you are going along and I'm going along and you find something that you've never learned before, never heard before, you can yell out, aha! And you can take my workbook, which I'm going to give you actually, and on page 5, you can turn to it. On page 5 in the workbook, on the margin, in the margin of every page, there's blank space for notes. And I want you to take your pen, I want you to put a big fat star beside that point that you just learned. So that at the end of the day, when you're flipping back through your notebook, you're just going to see all these lovely stars. If you have questions as I go along, feel free to stop me. I may park that question on a whiteboard and get to it later. If I don't know the answer to the question, that's okay too, because we will learn together. We will reference something called the Excel Bible. There is an Excel Bible, and I use it religiously, pun intended. And I will find out anything that I don't know, we'll learn it together, if that's the case. So finally, as a direct result of you being here with me today, when you return to work tomorrow, you will be the Excel master.